So as you lie there settling, begin with an awareness of sound. Noticing any sounds that you can hear now, perhaps in the distance. And also noticing the quality of sound in this room. Notice what's happening in your face and allow the face to soften. Brow, eyes, cheeks, nose, lips, jaw, chin, throat, soften. Allow your eyes to fall deep in the sockets. Let your tongue fall back from your teeth. And as you lie there breathing, with each breath you take, allow yourself to release more and more. Before we begin, I'd like you to repeat two things to yourself. Say to yourself, I am healthy and I am whole. Repeating that to yourself. Set a resolve to remain aware and remain still. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins now. We'll begin feeling the body as pure sensation, rotating awareness around the body, cultivating relaxation as we go. Begin this process by bringing your awareness to the sensations inside of the mouth. Feel your lips, gums, teeth, tongue, the floor and ceiling of the mouth. Feel the whole mouth as an orb of sensation. Notice the ears, both the inner canals of the ears and the outer structure and folds of the ears. Allow both ears to soften and release. Bring your awareness to the nose, the outer nose and the inner sinus cavities, and feel the sensation of breath as it moves in and out. Notice both eyes, the muscles surrounding the eyes, both eyelids and the eyeballs themselves. Feel both eyes as orbs, sensation. Trace back from the eyes into the center of the head, the center of the brain, and allow the whole inside of the head to soften and release. Feel the whole head and face as one orb of sensation. Remain aware, remain present, and allow any relaxation you cultivated in the head and face to flow down the neck, both sides of the neck, the back of the neck, and the throat, flowing down into the chest and shoulders. Relaxation flowing down the upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, into both hands, the backs of the hands, all 10 fingers and the palms of the hands. Feel both hands as orbs of sensation. Bring your awareness to the heart center. Feel both the front and back of the heart. Allow the heart to soften and release. Notice the upper torso, the lower torso, the whole torso as an orb. Sensation. Allow your awareness to flow down the body, waist, hips, buttocks, groin, genitals, upper legs, knees, lower legs, ankles, flowing down into the feet, both heels, the tops of the feet, all 10 toes and the soles of the feet. Feel both feet. Pure sensation. Now cultivate a whole body sensation. Sense and feel the whole physical body. The whole body as one radiant orb of sensation. Remain aware. Remain present. And we'll shift to the sensation of space surrounding the body. Feel the sensation of space above you, the sensation of space beneath you, to the left, and also to the right. Feel the sensation of space surrounding the body. And be curious. Is there any limit to how far you can sense space? Or does this ability to sense extend infinitely in all directions? Now weaving in the breath. With your inhale, feel the sensation we call body. And with your exhale, the sensation we call space. Inhaling to feel body. Exhaling to feel space. And just allowing your awareness to oscillate between these two experiences with the breath. And now, as best you can, feel the sensation we call body and the sensation we call space, both simultaneously, body and space as one radiant orb of sensation. Inside this radiant orb, locate anywhere that feels like the center, the core of you. Feeling the core of your being, and this orb of sensation, both at the same time. And allowing this awareness of sensation to fade, we'll next move through archetypal image visualization. I'll describe a scene, and you'll do your best to see and be there fully. Start by bringing yourself to a vast, empty space, blackness extending in all directions. Empty space, welcoming whatever arises. And inside of this space, see a red sunrise. Red sunrise. Birds flying across the sky. Birds flying across the sky. Springtime in the garden. Springtime in the garden. A still pond. Still pond. Stone temple. Stone temple. And now, allowing these images to fade, bring yourself back to the vast, empty space. Emptiness in all directions. And watch this space with detachment as anything arises. And now, slowly, beginning to make our way back, come back to the full body sensation. Sense and feel your whole physical body. Whole body relaxed and pulsing with each breath you take. Again, bring your awareness to the core of you, the center of your being. And from your center, reach down the upper legs, knees, lower legs, ankles, into the feet and the tips of the toes, and gently, slowly wiggle, wiggle, wiggle the toes, wiggle, wiggle. From your center, reach out the shoulders, upper arms, elbows, forearms, into the hands, the tips of the fingers, and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Notice the fact of awareness itself, and notice your ability to be aware. And begin to shift and move in any way that feels good now, bringing the essence of this practice with you as you emerge back into the waking state of consciousness, feeling better and better than you did before. And it can be helpful to deepen the breath. It can feel good to sweep both arms up above your head, taking a nice feel-good stretch as if you just took the best nap ever. And this brief practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome back.